Hello everyone, we have take case study about furtherance and splicing technique of optical fiber communication. Abstract: the improvement in technology over long distance communication using optical fiber has been regulated over past few decades and it took drastic enhancement in one of the major parameter for joining two OFC cable. The different experiments performed in order to bring about the result that can give nearby 0 dB splice loss when there is shifting one entire setup of optical fiber communication. The splicing loss is created by the joining of two SMF using fiber optic fusion splicing. The objective of this paper is to determine the low splice loss in joining two single mode or multi-mode optical fiber, such that long distance communication that require multiple infrastructure assembly for its operational unit can be made relocated, as there is large investment and material and electronic circuitry is associated it too. Therefore, to reduce that cost, we have sets of analysis that splicing loss can be reduced to 0 dB for SMF and end phase connection, or at least no improvement in splice losses, while relocation of OFC infrastructure from one place to other place as the result of the tested experiment. Introduction: in the late 18th century of optical communication came to an existence for more efficient and accurate communication by the French inventor. In the month of April 1997, testing employment of the world's first live telephone traffic through a fiber optic system was introduced that has speed running at 6 Mbps. Later, it followed invention of the Bell in May 1997 with an optical telephone communication system installed in the downtown area, covering a distance of 1.5 miles. Each optical fiber pass carries the equivalent of 672 voice channel and was equivalent to a DS3 circuit. Today, more than 80% of world's long-distance voice and data traffic is carried over optical fiber cables that are connecting the global world faster than ever expected. This is the block diagram of OFC system. The block diagram contains the information source, electrical transmitting to optical source, optical fiber cable, optical detector, electrical receive, and destination. The communication system therefore consists of a transmitter or modulator like to the information source, the transmission medium, and a receiver or demodulator at the destination point. This is the block diagram of optical time domain reflectometer. Splicing technology. Fusion splicing is a technique by which one of the fibers are permanently or semi-permanently soldered together. Fiber optic cables have to be spliced together for a number of seasons to extend the cable to a particular length. Another reason might involve joint break, in which case of fiber optic cable might have been rippled apart due to trending work. This is the formula for splice loss. Splice loss equal to splice loss A to B plus splice loss B to A divided by 2. Splice loss equal to maximum loss in dB equal to total distance in meters. Experimental. This is the figure of indication of splice joints. This figure contains of start point and destination point. Point A, point B, point C, point D are there. The next figure is splice arrangement of Fujikara 62S splice. Experiment 1. The experiment was done in order to perform the short distance splicing that is used by local LAN TV. The optical fibers are used here for sending and receiving the high-speed data on information over shorter distance. This experiment primarily focuses on the short or zonal level connection of new unit that is to be made operational for the use of transmission and receiving of data signals from one place to another by the use of optical fibers. As we all know that the splicing to SMF cable, we require a splicer fiber clovers or an optical fiber cables. For short distance splicing, we made use of 1000-meter optical cable. The parameters for end-to-end splicing joint done or listed is in the table. For splicing, we have made use of traditional fusion splicing technique method by use the Fujikara 62S splicer along with CT50 fiber clever and internet service provider. This is the table of information of the splicing location in experiment 1. The fiber file number and wavelength, joint location and distance are there. Next, experiment 2. As discussed in experiment A, similar type of experiment was conducted in order to determine the long distance high speed connection using optical fiber communication. This communication make use of the two pair cables in which the inner core of the cable consists of 2, 4, 6, 24, 36, 48, 98 threads. These are regularly used for all networks, whereas 96, 144 and 288 core cables are used for national long distance roads. In the NLD roads, there are network towers that are used for mobile network and other transfer of data. The failure in this can result heavy penalty in terms of mandatory and loss of data to user diet and service provider. This is the table of information of the splicing location of experiment 2. Fiber file name, wavelength, joint location and distance are there. Thank you.
Parameters represented in Table 3 and Table 5 actually determine the splice loss and total loss in fiber were obtained while performing the experiment at location with the proper use of the machinery. We have visited to all the different locations to get the reading and observe the following reading, which clearly shows the result given below. This is the graphical representation of losses from experiment 1. Result of optical time domain reflectometer on screen. In this experimental work of splice loss and total loss in the optical fiber cable, the observation came to the conclusion that in optical time domain reflectometer, the reading that are taken total loss is the combination of other losses that include bending loss, refractive loss, propagation loss, absorption loss, scattering and other losses, but the splice loss remained the same as it was being observed before. Therefore, as our aim of the experiment was to prove that in the total losses of fiber links, the splicing loss is zero or very negligible, which may not be able to recognize, so that we can transfer the infrastructure or the entire optical fiber cable communication setup can be moved to different region without any additional splice loss. On the other hand, we also came to know the fact that if the inner core of the fiber that is made up of glass, if refractive index is dropped or changed by chemical factor or by heat treatment to fiber, the total loss also be reduced and additional costs that are used on electronic component to retrieve the signal can be reduced.